At the Avro aircraft plant near Toronto is located one of the Western world's most advanced military aircraft design, development, and production facilities, covering an area of over 1.5 million square feet. This is the birthplace of the CF-100. Here, after many thousands of detail operations, the aircraft is assuming its ultimate form. The installation of hundreds of pieces of equipment and miles of intricate wiring is being completed. This aircraft, as yet unarmed, has reached the final stages of production. Painstaking design, practiced craftsmanship, and meticulous inspection have combined to produce an aircraft of versatile breed. Its combination of range and speed and the variety and formidability of its armament make it unique as an airborne weapon. Day after day, from the end of this production line they flow, sleek, formidable additions to the armory of defense. Designed to meet a Royal Canadian Air Force specification for a long-range, all-weather day and night interceptor, the CF-100 is capable of operating anytime, anywhere, in the sub-zero temperatures of the Arctic or beneath the blazing sun of the tropics. Before delivery, each aircraft is subjected to a series of rigorous ground tests of the engines and aircraft services. These tests are but preliminaries to the intensive pre-delivery flight testing the aircraft will undergo before its final release for Air Force service. The aircraft is first test flown by one of the Avro test pilots. The test pilots are men with a wide background of technical and flying experience, including operational flying. They know the high capabilities inherent in the CF-100 and ensure that each aircraft meets these exacting standards before it is cleared for delivery. When the aircraft passes the test pilot's critical appraisal, it is ready for the final stages of its pre-delivery preparation, harmonization, and calibration of the armament and fire control systems. These operations are performed by the radio, radar, and armament group of the Production Flight Test Organization, who coordinate the aircraft to a ground target, harmonizing the radar, gun sight, gun, and rocket armament into a completely integrated fire control system. The CF-100 Mark IV is equipped with a ventral gun package shown here in the process of gun harmonization. The pack contains 8 50 caliber machine guns and also carries the ammunition for them. In addition, it carries the electro-pneumatic system which operates the guns. The gun package is an interchangeable unit. Following a sortie, it may be very quickly removed and replaced by another newly serviced and armed unit. Here, the wingtip fittings for the attachment of a rocket pod are checked for alignment. This operation ensures that a succession of pods may be installed on the aircraft without further alignment checks. The rocket pods are attached to fittings on the wingtips of the aircraft. The installation is designed to permit rapid attachment of a succession of pods without the need for alignment checks, an important feature when rearming time must be kept to a minimum. Bad weather conditions present no obstacle to the CF-100. The aircraft is fitted with a radar fire control system which enables it first to locate, then to track, and finally to destroy an enemy aircraft under conditions which preclude visual contact. The rocket armament of the CF-100 consists of 58 2.75-inch folding fin aircraft rockets. The rockets are carried in two wingtip pods, each of which holds 29 rockets. Each pod can be swiftly attached to the wingtip by the insertion of a single pin. This kind of attention to the practical operational necessities is evident throughout the aircraft and is indicative of the careful thought given to these necessities in the design stage. The radar fire control system enables the pilot to accomplish an accurate attack against a selected target and to fire the rockets at the optimum instant. The pods are automatically jettisoned after the rockets are fired. The CF-100 Mark IV is equipped with the MG2 fire control system developed by Hughes Aircraft for firing 2.75-inch folding fin air-to-air rockets. The MG2 system consists of a 250 kilowatt radar, a rocket fire control computer, and two scopes. The function of the radar is to search for and locate the target and to supply the information necessary to the computer. The computer determines the correct course and firing time for the rockets. The two scopes present the information determined by the radar and computer to the pilot and radar observer. The radar is operated entirely by the radar observer, the radar information being displayed only on his scope. The radar observer selects the target and locks the radar on the target. Previous to lock-on, the pilot scope presents only the artificial horizon. After lock-on, a steering dot, a reference circle, and a time-to-go circle are added to the pilot's display. When the pilot flies to center the steering dot in the reference circle, the interceptor flies a lead collision course. The rockets are fired automatically at the correct time. This is indicated on the scope by the appearance of an X. In addition, two navigational features are provided. First, by throwing a switch, it is possible to interrogate radar navigational beacons which are located on the ground in accurately known locations. Second, if there are no beacons in the vicinity, the radar can be switched to ground map operation so that a map of the terrain ahead appears on the radar scope.